Welcome to Judge Research.
Did you know? These days, it rains non-stop. The Philippines has a tropical climate. According to Pagasa, this suggests that we have a generally warm climate with high humidity and lots of rain. If people are having a bad day and it is raining outside, people may feel more stressed. Even in situations when there is a little threat of damage, rain can still make us feel anxious.
To address this issue, the researchers present
The Corbella.
What is Corbella?
It is a multicolored umbrella that works in both rainy and sunny conditions. Additionally, the color of this umbrella will reflect UV rays.
So how does it work? The Corbella changes its color depending on the temperature it detects. Anyone's moods may be written by the umbrella's color, which can make them feel joyful rather than anxious. In making the Corbella, here is the materials that we're gonna use. The solar color dust, the Angelus matte, Angelus 13, and lastly, the Angelus neutral paint. After that, mix them all together and spray it to the surface of the umbrella. When the umbrella is exposed to high temperature, the umbrella will start to change its color. And also, when the umbrella was exposed to low temperature, it becomes transparent.